Melissa Falkowski. How pronounce your last name for me?
Falkowski.
Okay, thank you. Go right ahead.
My name is Melissa Falkowski. I'm an English teacher at Stoneman Douglas High School, and I've been teaching in Broward County for 12 years. My husband is also a teacher. He teaches SVE at Ramblewood Middle School. I'm here today to share something personal so that you can understand how the salary decisions made by this board profoundly affect myself and other young teachers just like me. My husband and I have a 5-year-old son, and every few days he likes to ask me when he will have a brother or a sister. And my standard answer is not right now. And the real answer is probably never. Because this board does not pay its teachers a living wage. We cannot afford the $1,100 a month for infant take care or the $400 a month in healthcare premiums, nor can we afford the unpaid maternity leave that will come with it. And I shouldn't have to choose between having 2 children and continuing to teach. You have agreed on a 2.5% raise, but you give with one hand and you take with the other. The 2.5% would give me a $1,200 raise. But at the same time, you have not agreed to pay me the $2,600 stipend for my 6th period. So what you are offering me is a $1,400 pay cut instead of a pay raise. In a recent email, the district pointed out that the expiration of the stipend is the reason why high schools voted to change their schedules, but Stoneman Douglas voted to stay on straight 7. If you decide not to pay the $2,600 stipend, you are telling me and all the teachers at the schools that did not accept block that once again we are to work for free, and that is simply unacceptable. Even teachers on block are still teaching a study hall and deserve their supplement. Every time these types of decisions are made, you take food off my table, presents out from under my Christmas tree, and diminish the hope that our small family will ever be complete. There are many teachers just like me that have to choose their love for their students and this profession over their own families, over buying a house, taking a vacation, or sending their kids to college. Last week, the new BTU president spoke before this board, and she said that all the teachers in this district were going to have faith that this board is going to do the right thing. I had faith when we received no pay raises for 5 years. I had faith when we gave up 3% to FRS, and I had faith when the 6th period was forced on me. And I had faith that eventually it would be made right. And I have to tell you that I'm out of faith, and I need to see action. Action by this board to show the teachers of this district that you care about us and that you value us. You can do that by adopting the 2.5% raise and keeping the $2,600 stipend. And then when negotiations come for the coming year, you can restore our steps because the teachers in this district deserve to be made whole. And anything less than the restoration of our steps and moving us each onto the step that we have earned with our years of experience is a violation of the promise that was made to us when we signed our contracts. And if you can't find it in your budget or your conscience to do that, then I think you should have to look my son in the eye and tell him that he will never have a sibling because his parents' hard work isn't worth a living wage. The teachers in this district work hard.
Thank you.
And we deserve to have families.
Thank you.